Hi everyone, I have found another new AI model and its name is SmallThinker 3B Preview, and you see that in most of the cases it is beating this GPT-4o. SmallThinker is completely free and easy to use, and here you see that in these benchmarks it is scoring much better than this GPT-4o, and you see that it is fine-tuned from this Qwen 2.5 3 billion instruct model. So we will test this model and we will see that how to install the small thinker locally using Olama, and I will test this model using some general knowledge questions, some programming questions that I have. Okay, so you see that this model have some use cases like edge deployment and draft model. So edge deployment means as you know that the name is the small thinker model, so it is a small size model and it is specialized for the resource constrained devices. So if you don't have enough resources or enough space, then you can use this model, and you see that it is easily beating this GPT-4o and it is performing better than GPT-4o, so you can use this model. Okay, instead of GPT-4o if you don't have enough money and if you don't have enough space. And next one is a draft model for QWQ32B preview model. So it is basically draft model means specular coding. So here you see that this is the word speculative coding. Okay, so basically what happens that this QWQ32 billion preview model is a very large model. So if you use this model to build your application, then in that case it will take some time to give you the answer. Okay, but if you use this small thinker model as a draft model to generate the answer using this QWQ, then it will increase the speed of this QWQ 70%. Okay, so I will give this blog link in the description box. You will understand if you read this. So what happens that for the traditional LLM problem, that if the model is very huge, okay, then the generation steps involves heavy memory bandwidth usage. Okay, so to solve this problem, we can use this faster model or the smaller model to generate the outline and summary, and after that this big model and this large model can fine tune or can refine that response, and after that he can provide that the output to the end user. Okay, so I hope you got the idea. Okay, now let's see that how to install this. So just go to this Olama. I have given this link in the description box. By the way, if you don't have Olama, just go to this olama.com, and here you see the download button. Just you can download according to your operating system. Okay, Linux, Mac OS or Windows. And after that go to this model section. Okay, so here you see that these models, and there you can search for this small thinker, and here you see that only 3 billion parameter model is there, 3.6 GB. Just copy this and open any of your terminal or command prompt and just press enter. Okay, so it will be installed as I have already installed. So it is showing me that send message, and according to internet connection it will take 10 to 15 minutes to install this model. Now let's test this model. Here you see that I am using this open web UI to test this, because here I can easily write this or use this like interface, UI interface like ChatGPT. Okay, so first I will test this general knowledge question, that like what is the capital city of Canada. Here you see that the answer is Ottawa. So let's see that it has the general knowledge capability or not. So here you see that I got the answer. The Canada, um, here you see that the capital is Ottawa. Here you see. Okay, I got the answer. Okay, and also here you see that it is thinking deeply. So after thinking deeply in all of the perspective, it has given the final answer Ottawa. It is very good, right? Because before giving answer, it is thinking deeply. and it is required for a model to get the best output. And now we'll test this programming question. Uh, this is Python programming, and also we'll test a JavaScript question also. Okay, so let me copy this and let me paste it here. And after that, also let me copy this like question. What is the output of the following Python code snippet? Okay, so press enter, and here you see that the answer should be 15. Okay, so let's see that it has the capability or not. Here you see that it is writing a step-by-step procedure, and I am very happy with this model's behavior, because by watching this step-by-step procedure, anyone can understand that what is going on. So here you can see that we got the output 15, and here you see the final answer is 15. So it has passed the programming question also. Now I have this simple JavaScript question. I will test this. Okay, so just paste this, and if it can pass, or if it can give the correct output for this JavaScript question, then I can say that yes, this model is a very much capability it has. Okay, because this JavaScript question is a very typical question or critical question that many of you actually don't find the correct answer on the first go. So here you see that the output is 1. Okay, and this this time here you see that what is the output, and you see that this time it gave me the output as 1 and 3 both should be printed. Okay, and now let's see. Yes, 1 followed by 3. Yes, 1 followed by 3, it should be printed, and then after small delay 2. So it has given the correct answer. Here you see that 1, 3, and that's it. But it is saying that there is no 2. But it is not correct, because 1, 3, and after the 2 should be printed according to this JavaScript question. Okay. So it has given the partially correct answer for this question, for the JavaScript question. Now let's test some grammar question. Here you see that English grammar question. Uh, let's see that it has the capability or not. Okay, press enter. Uh, so see, don't like the ice cream. So the what should be the correct grammar? Okay, so it is thinking deeply, and it is writing many things, and I think this time it will give me the correct answer. Let's wait for this. By the way, in the meantime, if you have not subscribed our channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to like this video, guys, because it helps me a lot to make this type of videos uh, to keep me motivated. Okay, here you see that it is writing almost a story for giving this simple uh, answer for this simple question. It is writing a story. Okay, so it is not expected, but okay, if at the end of the day it give me the correct answer, then yeah, we got the correct answer. She doesn't like the ice cream, so it is telling that using don't instead of doesn't. Okay, so it should be the she doesn't like ice cream, and let me taste it. Yeah, it's she doesn't like the ice cream, it should be the correct answer. So I am happy with this model, but for this JavaScript question, I think it did some mistake. Okay, but otherwise it is fine. So you can go with this, because it is completely free. Okay, and it is most in 99% cases it is giving the correct output. So as its size is also small, then you can go with this. If you have a resource constraint issue or memory issue, then you can go with this. So I hope you find this video helpful, guys. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.